Hello everyone, this is circuit number 7 for Athabasca University's COMP444. This is the circuit that reads the temperature using a device looking a lot like a transistor and converts it from a voltage level into temperatures in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. As you can see, the circuit is already running, so let's take a look at the board. Now if I put my finger on the top of the sensor and hold it there for a few seconds, when we move back to the temperature readout generated by the program, we should see that the temperature has increased slightly. Let's give it another second. Okay, there we are. And then moving back here, we see that the temperature increased slightly from where it was before and has now begun to decrease now that I've removed my finger. Now what I also figured I would do, like in some previous examples, is measure the voltage coming off of the temperature sensor. So let me just make that connection right now. I did this so I could compare the voltage reading generated by the multimeter to that of the program, and we see a reading of 0.67 volts right here and a fairly close match at 0.6665 here. But that actually introduces a problem, several problems, in that what I've done by attaching my multimeter is introduce a parallel circuit to the board that's drawing voltage on its own and disrupting the amount of current or voltage that's reaching the Arduino board and affecting its ability to read an accurate temperature. Now, that actually also reminds me that I may have made a similar mistake in my previous circuits, particularly circuits 2 and 6, where I was also introducing parallel circuits. And I had not considered that before I saw this in action right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to investigate the properties of my multimeter and see if I can see how much this parallel circuit that it creates affected my readings. And I'll make note of that as much as I can in my notes. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.